Hello everyone, thanks for coming to hang out today. If you're new here, welcome. We're going to be setting up my A5 planner for the month of October today, and I'm really stoked for this. Yeah, I'm way late. We're nearly halfway through the month already, and this is where I'm at in my life. The reason I haven't set this up yet, you guys, is because, well, my printer is possessed and it's not communicating with my laptop, and I just could not print my A5 supplies that I needed to be able to set up this planner. So we're going to work with what I have. We're going to go with a modified version, and I think I'm really okay with it because I'm in a certain place in a certain season, and modification is really what I need. But I'm most excited to set up this front pocket here. October is my favorite month of the year. Spooky season is my favorite season, and thanks to my incredible, amazing, super sweet friend Tracy, I now have a lot of front pocket worthy supplies that she sent me for my birthday. So I cannot wait. I'm excited about the theme, and I'm excited about getting this all set up with you guys. Better late than never. So let's start over here because there's very little to do. I have my vision board, which I'm transferring. I guess not transferring because I'm staying in the same binder, but you know what I mean. I'm bringing it over month through month through month. This is my vision board, and then on the back side of here is my 40 before 40 list of things that I want to do. I just turned 39 on Friday the 11th, and there's a lot that I want to get done before I turn 40. So I keep this right up front as a reminder, and maybe a little bit of a guilt trip, something to focus on and look at and stress about every single day. No, I'm mostly excited. So that's gonna stay. Then I have these two little vinyl covers that are gonna stay. And then I decided to just go ahead and use the very basic kind of yellow paper that comes with the A5 binder when you buy them. I suppose I should say when you buy the very cheap $6.99 one from Amazon, this is the paper that it comes with. Not when you get a super cute, like super fancy Moterm one. No, I'm talking Amazon cheapy. And that's okay with me. You guys, I managed to get the two cover pages that I really, really wanted for October printed out. They're not the greatest. My printer still put lines through them for some reason, but I'm excited to have those. And then I really am in a point in my life, in a season of my life, where I really need to keep it super minimum. In September, towards the end of September, it got overwhelming to even fill out the daily basic planner pages that I printed for myself to set this up in September. So I think I need intentional to-do lists. So not just a checklist, but maybe like writing sort of a little bit of a sentence about my day and the things that I need to do, and just kind of free range, I guess, my planner pages. Is that a thing? I'm a chicken now, apparently. I've been living with him for too long. So yeah, and I will share with you guys how I do that, especially over on my Instagram if you follow me over there. I'm gonna turn these into, I'm still gonna decorate them. There's still gonna be washi and stickers and super cute, but I do need a basic bare minimum thing probably from now until December, and we will try the more involved daily pages and stuff again in January. So let me show you the two little divider pages that I was able to print. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, there's still lines through these images. I don't know what's going on with my printer. It's possessed. And then this one, look, I mean, these are so freaking cute. So my theme for my front pockets and for my dividers, and I'm going to try to carry it throughout on my daily pages that I use, is going to be haunted library. You guys, I'm so excited. So I think this is going to be my front cover page. And I went back and forth between putting October down here or not, because I did this one for September and I put September on it and then a little thing that says seek small joys. This has a lot going on, but now that I look at it and it is my October cover page, I feel like maybe I should get a monthly sticker and put October down here at the bottom. Okay, I've run into a bit of a situation. The only black October stickers I have left are on paper. white paper. I do not like that. Then in gold, I have a font that I really like, that I feel like goes super well with the spooky theme, but it's gold. Although I feel like it would still go okay with this. And then there's a silver, but I don't like the font. What do we do? I'll wait here for you guys to let me know. I think I'm gonna try this gold one. Should I put it like all the way? Let's put it. Oh, I think down here. I'm going for it, you guys. I like that. It looks like there's not enough letters to spell out October, but that's just the font. Yeah, I like it. I'm okay with it. Okay, so I have fuzzies on here now. So here is my cover page. I'm happy with that. All right, and then I think there's 17 days left in the month of October. I'm not sure, but I separated out 18 blank pages just in case for my dailies. And then we're gonna put the little ghosty divider in to separate my dailies from things like my grocery list, my video plans, that sort of stuff, like a brainstorming section, just anything and everything. And we're gonna make a little, like maybe a bookmark or paperclip or something to go up at the top to mark the division in my pages. So let's go ahead and put these. They're so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. And then I think we should probably use let's see, do we do a ghost or a bat? I think I'm gonna do a bat for the paperclip. So I'm gonna take out these pumpkins. I sticky tack my stuff in my pockets, you guys, so that it doesn't slip and slide and flop around when I close and open the binder. So it's all gonna be very sticky, but it's a great tip if you don't want your stuff flopping around. I highly recommend sticky tack. So I'm just gonna, this was just a puffy sticker that I turned into a little paper clip. So I'm gonna take this paper clip off of here and we're gonna use a bat puffy sticker to make our little paper clip. Oh my gosh, I closed this on where I needed it. Okay. So my sweet friend Tracy sent me this sticker pack as part of my birthday gift. So freaking sweet. I love it so much. She's so thoughtful. I'm going to take this bat and I think cut it out. Oh, or do I want a star? No, I think I want a bat. I'm going to cut it out. So it's a puffy sticker, but I'm going to keep the back on it and I'm going to glue it or stick it somehow to the paper clip to make the little bookmark. How cute is he? So I just used the sticky tack to push the sticker onto the paper clip. I left the backing on the sticker. And no one's going to see the sticky tack anyways in the back of my planner. So I'm just going to put this right here. And then I can use it as a sticker if I want to, or I can keep using him as a bookmark. Let me make sure that he's, yeah. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Okay, so that is the super basic, super simple setup of my planner section for this. Like I said, you guys, I will show you some of the dailies. We'll have maybe a decorate with me. I'm even going to set up an October currently for this planner setup. We'll do that together in a different video. But for now, we're going to focus on the super fun part. So like I said, I have a lot of fun options now. Tracy sent me some really awesome stickers. I did a few printables from Canva. We're going with the haunted library theme, and I think it's going to be really awesome. So give me just a minute. I'm going to go ahead, and it won't be a minute for you. I'll pause and come back. It'll be like that. But I'm going to go, and I could have cut when I did that. That would have been cool. Where's my movie magic? I'm going to take all of this stuff out and then we're going to put everything in here together. How sweet was this September though? Even the pumpkin should still be here. But I loved this September so much. I really loved the sweet little girl and the bunny and the bear. This one made me so happy. I love it. I'm also going to keep using this precious bow from Jess. I just love it so much and it's going to still go really well with this theme. All right, everything is out of the pockets except for this little bit. I thought I would keep this as a little bit of like background paper. I think it'll still match the theme really well. And then I have all my bits and bobs to put back in here. But first, I grabbed my pocket tarot Lightseers deck. I thought one of those would fit right in here perfectly. And I don't know, I thought it'd be fun to just pull one out for the month of October, even though we're halfway through, and see which one I get. I'm not great with tarot, you guys. I mostly use tarot and oracle cards for inspiration and ideas, not like spiritual practice, which is totally fine for people that do. I just quite honestly don't have the time to research what it would mean to use it for spiritual practice. Nevertheless, I thought we could shuffle them, and maybe if one pops up or falls out, then that's just the one that's going to go in the pocket. So let's do that really quick and see which one we get. Okay, off to the Hanged Man. Is it cheating if I don't like that? I'm going to do it again. Okay, all right, 5 of Cups, that's it, we've been told. Okay, I actually really do like the description of the Hanged Man. I'm just not going to use it because of the colors. It's like lime green, and that's not going to fit my theme. So we're going to accept it for its what it was. But now we're going to read the definition of the 5 of Cups. No disrespect to the people who use these very seriously and use them for spiritual practice. I use them for a different purpose, artistic value. 5 of Cups stinks, y'all. This was maybe a bad idea. Let's put the Hanged Man in there, but like this. Yeah. So we learned an important lesson. Don't judge a card by its name, because the 5 of Cups sounds really sweet. And, 5 cups. Who doesn't want 5 cups? I leave cups all over the dang place. It was awful. It stunk. So we're going with the Hanged Man. We're accepting it. We're going to take it. Don't worry, I'm not going to sticky tack this. I'm going to put it right in this pocket. Just like that. We're going to put this, how cool is this, right up here. I ripped this last month when I was setting this whole thing up. So I'm going to cover up the tear and put him right here. Then we're going to put this sticker right down here like this. Oh my gosh, I freaking love it. Okay, I'm going to put Poe right beside it, I think. I'm going to put the bow next because I want to make sure I have a spot for it, but also so that I can work around it. Like that maybe, or maybe I want a piece of paper in there first. I'm just going to reuse this bit. I'm going to try to get it down quite a ways behind there though, and then we'll do the bow. Like that. Gotta have the raven up here. So I'm gonna try to tuck it down in the pocket and have it just like that. Okay, which one should we have down here? Beauty is Terror or One More Chapter? Let's cut out the border from just One More Chapter and see how it fits. I think we gotta go with this one, you guys. I think we're gonna go with just One More Chapter. He fits perfectly. I love it. So then I think we will put this typewriter like that. I'm loving this so far, you guys. I love it so freaking much. Okay, let's put one of these stickers right in here. You can't really see what it is, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. And then maybe this candle down in here. Yeah, let me get some sticky tack for that. We are down to the last printable, you guys, these books. So I'm gonna tuck that right there like that. I feel like I want something right up here, but I don't know what. And then I was gonna push this typewriter pin into here, but I don't know how that's gonna... Oh, I've got some glue on the front of there. I don't know how it's gonna... I think it might bulge too much. I really like it though. What would you do? What do I do? Yeah, I think it's gonna stick out way too far. So, maybe we put a star right here. Just like that. I do still want something else right here though. Oh, should I just put this in? Not behind there. Not behind there. There we go. Struggle. I couldn't get it straight. It's okay though. I like it in there. I'm gonna put this star right here just because there's a little bit of sticky tack left over. So I'm gonna use that to cover it up. I still want something on the outside right here though. I think we'll use the beauty is terror. I think, what quote is that from? I don't know, but I think it's hilarious. And still something for right here. And then I think it'll be good. Should I leave this bit hanging over? I think it's okay. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this so much, you guys. I think I'm just gonna put these two things up here. Drink good coffee, read good books. I mean, it's not quite the haunted library theme, but I like it. So I just need to lift up the sticky tack on these to get those behind there. Oh, hang on. Okay, finishing touch, you guys. Oh no, how long has that been sitting there? A leftover sad little crumpled sticky star from September. It's gonna be replaced by a spooky black happy little goth star for October right up here. Last one. You guys, I love this so much. Oh my gosh. It's so me. It's so perfect. I'm over the moon happy with it. I gotta adjust my little bow here. Oh, now I've shoved everything down. Okay, I forgot to put sticky tack on that one. Nevertheless, I love it. I love it so much. Y'all, this is awesome. I'm so happy with it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for this one. That's all for this one. I guess I will see you in my next one. Tell your dog I said hi. Bye, guys.